What's going on, everybody? Bo is here. Today I'm going let me introduce you to my new project. This is a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter. This one is four-wheel drive. Okay, 144 wheelbase, four-wheel drive. Look how high it is off the ground. It comes in blue-gray color with LED options, beautiful LED lights options with the fog light built in. And this one is not going to be a complete build. This one is a partial build because the van is used for carrying cargo and then camping, short trip camping here and there. So the owner is out of state. He just dropped it off for me, and then I'm gonna install like flooring. We're gonna do walls. This time it's gonna be different walls. It's gonna be a fabric wrap wall and the factory headliner on this one. So again, it's not a complete van build, complete camper van. So let's see how it goes from there. But you can see how beautiful it is. This is again 2022 144 wheelbase Sprinter, four-wheel drive. Let's take a look around. Again, it's a cargo van to start with. Only windows, two windows in the back and no windows on the sides, and bare metal. We got nothing inside yet. This van's also loaded. It's loaded with the power adjustable seats and heated everything. And check this out. It looks like this van has factory swivel seats. Love those swivel seats. Those are smooth on both sides. And it's already got the overhead storage in this one. Well, looks like it's gonna rain again. It's been raining, and according to the forecast, it's gonna rain the next couple of days. So that's why I haven't done anything to it yet, as you can see. But there's gonna be a few things in here on this van I'm going to do that I haven't done before. So it's gonna be interesting. So please don't forget, follow me along. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, and let's build another van. First, we start with the sound deadening. On the wheel well, I'm putting 100%. This is Kill Matte 80mm. There you go. So make sure, because this is going to be exposed, so make sure it's covered with the sound deadening. You're required to do only what, 65% or less sound deadening, but it doesn't hurt to put more in that, because all my vans I build, we loaded with sound deadening. You want to make sure you travel on the gravel or rocky roads, make sure it sounds tight like that. This is the factory. Look, they put only like 45%. This is 90%. So